Hey everyone, welcome to ClickFix Tech. In today's video, I'll show you the complete process to download and install Roblox on your PC or laptop step by step. So let's get started. First, open up any web browser on your computer and type Roblox. Then hit enter. From the results, click on this official Roblox website. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice there's no direct download button here, just the sign up and login options. To get Roblox installed, you'll first need to either log into your Roblox account or create a new one if you don't have it yet. It only takes a minute. I already have an account, so I'll just log in. After logging in, go ahead and open any Roblox game. For example, I'll click on this game. Once the game page opens, simply click on the play button. Now, a small pop-up will appear on your screen asking you to download Roblox. Click that button, and the download will start automatically. When the download is finished, open the file. It's usually saved in your downloads folder. And follow the on-screen steps to complete the installation. The process is really quick. It should only take a few seconds. After Roblox is installed, open the app and log in. You'll see the familiar Roblox interface, and you can now start playing any of your favorite games. And if you want to make the screen full size, just press the F11 key on your keyboard. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Roblox on your PC or laptop. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to ClickFix Tech for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.